Hello guys, this is Bore Command 35. I'm recording from my apartment. And look at outside. You like this video, subscribe, put a thumbs up, and put a comment below. Look at outside, it's raining for a long time. It's gonna rain a long time. Look at that. I don't know, it's gonna be a tornado or they say it's gonna be raining and storm today. And press the bell that you receive notification every time I make a new video. Wow, look at that, raining all day. That's crazy, really crazy. Sorry guys for not recording in the morning, because that's the reason I not recorded in the moment. Look at that, rainy and rainy. This tree from the office, there's the garage, there's the apartment office, that's all the cars come back to the job and staying home because that rainy and rainy. Wow, that is incredible. Really incredible. Try to put the light back that you can see outside how you're looking for. Look at that. The clouds. All that's in Grand Rapids, Michigan, where we live right now. In Grand Rapids, it's a tornado happening here. We not be here right now. It's not good for Grand Rapids happen. It's gonna be raining for a really long time. Try to get water. That's my apartment. That's life for my apartment. Yeah, I have to clean. It's raining outside for a long time. Jesus. Thought I come to the church, but I don't know. So depends how the weather is. And you can see. Look at that. Look, it's raining so. It's raining for a long time. Gonna rain all night. Look at the look at outside. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that. Not better. Try to put the light back in. And you can see outside. And look at that. Try to go outside, but in the dark. Not go outside in the dark, because you can see my face, because I'm Puerto Rican black Puerto Rican woman. But man, Jesus, that's a lot of rain. Okay, the camera for a minute. Try to put more water. Try to put water here. If you hear something in the background, you can put water in the bottom. The sound when you go into the bathroom. You know what you have to do in the bathroom. That sounds funny, but remember, God is good all the time. Tomorrow we're gonna try to make a different video, because all the time I do a video around my house, talking about my story, testimony. That's good, because I can do that all the time. You can see me while being mom all the time. I don't know what I can do today because it's raining a lot. I don't know. Gonna stop. You say gonna stop between 1 o'clock. And tomorrow it's gonna be sunny. Between maybe I can see what we're gonna have. But this month is my birthday. I have to come 21. And this weekend I can buy a lot of stuff, going to the store, buy stuff. I go to the library, get some bus pass, but at the moment it's raining, stopped raining, and then I come to buy home, and then you figure out start raining. Jesus. But yeah, I'm supposed to record in the morning. That's the reason I record in the morning, because my son said, "Hey ma, why you not start recording for a minute and then have time together with mom and the son?" It's right. Sometimes I have to take a break, and guys, I do everything I can. I showed you one more time what's doing outside. It's raining really a lot. I never see you can wrap it like that before. That's last time it rained like that, and it's so really bad, and then you can see the leaves in the street fly away, and you can see the water, and that's really and tornado, and it's like, oh wait, and then my son is scared inside, and then have to do that. But I'm gonna show you again the sign. Look at that. It's starting raining. The star, there's the tree. You can see the cars. You can see rainy outside. Then you can see the, I think this I don't remember the name where it is, but you can see rainy outside. It's gonna be raining all day and the night. Has to stop at 1, and then the sun come out again. But sometimes the flower and the tree need to grow, and sometimes we complain because it's rainy all the time, and we're not satisfied for that. But that's how I record it. Sometimes I have to be careful because people think I recorded them because I talked to them, and somebody fight inside the apartment and say, "Oh, you recorded, you're not supposed to do that." Oh, whatever. But we have to stop being rude to each other. I'm tired about that. All the time try to record something, somebody say, "Oh, you can record this, you can record that." So I try to go on to Marrow Park to make a next second video and choose the correct way, because that's a nice park, and maybe I'm gonna make a recorder thing. I'm gonna sell bracelet. I make a jewelry bracelet. I make a artist. I make a artwork. I make a toy for children, toy for babies. I make a purse that you can use if you put your stuff in there, the personal stuff. And tomorrow I go to the show and pray and say grateful to God and told God thank you for everything He did to me, because He do everything I can, and that's the reason I told you, the reason I'm staying home. And this video is called Rainy Day. I'm staying home because rainy day is really terrible raining. Unless it can be a tornado and all that stuff. But I remember, guys, subscribe, put a thumbs up you like the videos, put a comment below, and tomorrow we see make a new video, but I'm gonna show you outside again. Somebody running.
Oh God, they are running.
Because that's gonna be the torn coming out.
Oh.
Yo, you saw that?
Yup.
That is not good. Come to the room. Take the light off. That's the reason that it is. And off the light, the pasillo.
Ma, I see more lightning than that.
Whoa.
I saw lightning strike.
Look at that, guys. I'm gonna record it for a long time that you can see that. That's wow. I see the storm come down fast. Okay, guys, I see you next time. I love you and God bless it. See you.
Nope,
For a
nope.
long time.
Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, never miss our channel. Snapchat, Twitter. That's it. I don't know what else.
See you next time, guys. We love you. God bless you.